watching the kids today.
No problemo!
What happened here?
Oh, I was just having a little snack.
Sheesh.
Hey, are you two wearing Feather Scout uniforms?
Uh-huh.
Well, I was a Feather Scout, too.
Did they offer a badge for gorging on junk food back then?
For your information, Splinter, a wilderness woody remains the stuff of Feather Scout legend. Hey, why don't I help you earn a badge or two while we're together?
I guess that'd be okay. Yeah, it's always useful to learn the way of the ancients.
Well, it's a good thing I kept my Feather Scout uniform. Hey, check me out. Fits like a glove, huh? How about we work on the survival badge? That was always my favorite.
There are 3 steps to earning a survival badge. Gather food, build a fire, prepare shelter.
As easy as falling off a log, Knothead. I got this.
Huh? What log? Step 1, gathering food. For a list of edible plants.
You don't learn how to be a woodsman from a book. You live it. You two aren't gonna catch anything with those. Voila!
That rod doesn't seem very wildernessy, Woody.
I'll have you know that...
Hey! I hooked something!
Oh, me too!
Oh, please, watch and learn. No catfish is a match for the Rodomatic Ultra Pro 5000! Whoa! Fish on!
Are you calling 911? No. I'm filming!
Okay. Let's keep it simple for step number 2, all right? Twigs, spark, campfire.
Actually, I have matches in my knapsack, Woody. And the guidebook says to... Awesome.
Guidebook's my book. Ta-da! A thank you. A thank you. How come you're not filming now?
Woody!
Just smell that crackling fire.
That's your head!
My head?
I can't watch this time. Don't worry. I'll upload all the footage to YouTube and you can view it later. This goes here. No. Oh.
Step number 3 is taking too long.
But we need to learn how to prepare a shelter.
Shelter smelter, follow me. Ta-da! And it's a heck of a lot sturdier than your tent.
How do you know it's safe?
Safe's mate.
But the guidebook says... to check for signs of occupancy. Splinter? What? If I don't record it, how will it go viral? Thanks again, Wilderness Woody.
Oh.
We didn't earn our survival badges, but the first aid patch is really cool. And because of your epic fails, I've gone viral.
Oh, Woodrow, are you still in much pain?
Only when I blink.
Ew.
Lunchtime!
Well, breaking nearly every bone in my body has made me kind of hungry. I've got the need to feed. What's on the menu?
Catfish.
Catfish!